Robert, 35, is a 13-year veteran of the Army and was diagnosed with ALS in August of 2010. He worked at Walter Reed Hospital, is an advocate of wounded warriors, and worked with the first quadriplegic coming home from Iraq. This life-changing diagnosis caused he and his wife Jacqueline to accelerate their dream plans of moving to Florida. Robert and his family are some of the most courageous people I know. The Veterans Administration purchased our Autonomy residential unit for Robert due to its flexibility to meet Robert's immediate and future needs. We joined Robert in late 2011 while he is using his voice with the backup sip and puff switch to control his environment and show us how he used some of his computer functions.
Foot up. Power. Power. Favorites. FX. Jump home. Sharp controls. Power. Power. Jump home. Volume up. Discovery. Jump home. Computer activities. Free cell. Jump home. Internet activities. Facebook home. Profile. Messages.
In August of 2012, we went back to Robert's home. His condition had changed. He is now on a ventilator with no use of his voice. He is now using our autonomy system through IntelliGaze eye gaze input with a sip and puff switch backup. We also added a wall mount arm to replace the original rolling cart. We rejoin Robert while he is calibrating his eye camera. Once recalibrated to his eyes, Robert shows us how he can use his unit with the eye control to turn on and off his lights, turn on the television, play movies, change his bed position while maintaining eye calibration, do an alert call. His wife doesn't like that very much. And go to computer activities. Here he is showing us Google on the internet. Open a Word document and edit a letter. Use his calculator. Switch over to Facebook. Skype. And if he needs to communicate with us, he can do it using, in this case, the choice of 3 different speech output options: Fast Chat, 8packs Home, or Simple Talk. Here he can say pre-stored phrases he has made up, using a keyboard to make new phrases as necessary.
I mean, compass ways.
During 2012, VA Tampa asked us for additional equipment to allow Robert to use the Autonomy residential unit while in his wheelchair. Robert gets up and moves to his wheelchair. We show how easy it is to move his Autonomy unit with him. Robert uses his chin control to drive his wheelchair, and now using Bluetooth also uses it to control the Autonomy. Now in his family room, Robert can watch movies and do everything such as Facebook and augmentative communication, just as he did while he was in bed. Robert wishes to communicate something to us he wrote last night.
This system is great. It has given me back much of the independence that I lost. There are endless custom configurations and an incredible staff that are always available to answer questions and modify my settings. The Orlando and Tampa VA facilities have been instrumental in providing me with this and other assistive technology devices.
We wish to thank Robert and his family for allowing us into their home. His hopes are to be able to share his experiences with veterans and others that may find themselves in similar circumstances.